If you have a crush or maybe you're in a long-distance relationship, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to show you what to say to your crush or your boyfriend or girlfriend to make them miss you more. So if they miss you now, it's going to be times infinity. So without further ado, let's get started with number 1. Send them a sexy picture. Have you ever received a sexy picture from your crush? How did you feel? You felt butterflies in your stomach, right? And you couldn't stop smiling like an idiot because you were so happy that they thought of you. Well, send them a picture that will make them think of you and want you. Now, I'm not telling you to send a totally nude picture. Keep it classy, keep it respectful. Just a picture that shows a little bit of skin, maybe a little bit of your thigh or maybe your beautiful eyes. Whatever you choose to do, just make sure next time they look at their phone, they will see that picture and think of you. Number 2, don't play games. Don't play hard to get or act like you don't care. This is one of the worst things you can do if you want your crush to miss you more. If you play games, you're going to lose them. I promise you that. People like people who are straightforward and honest. So the best thing you can do is when you're talking to your crush, ask them out, make them an advance, let them know you're interested. The biggest mistake people do is playing games. Don't play games, be straightforward. Be honest. They will appreciate it and they will want you more. No. 3. Let them know how beautiful they are. Everyone likes compliments. Who doesn't like being told they're beautiful? If you have a long-distance boyfriend or girlfriend, I'm telling you, let them know how beautiful they are, how much you appreciate them, how much you love them. Tell them every day, tell them every hour, tell them every minute. The more you tell them, the more they'll appreciate it, and the more they'll start thinking about you. Number 4, flirt, flirt, flirt. If you want your crush to miss you, you have to flirt with them. Flirting is a very important part of any relationship. If you flirt with your boyfriend or girlfriend, they will never stop thinking about you. They will never get bored of you, and the distance won't even matter. So flirt. Send them flirty texts. Call them, text them, FaceTime them. Let them know you're thinking of them, because the more you flirt, the more they will want you. And number 5, ask them out. This is one of the most important steps you need to do if you want your crush to miss you. You have to make them an advance. You can't just sit around and wait for them to make the first move. If you want something, you gotta go get it. So make the first move. Ask them out. Take them to their favorite place. Do something special. You will see how much they will appreciate it and they will never forget it. Plus, they will start thinking of you and wanting you more. So there you have it, my 5 tips on what to do if you want your crush to miss you more. Use these tips wisely and I promise you, you will never be single again. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I will reply to every single one of you. Also, if you want some more dating tips, click the video on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.